At Sovereign Pharma, quality is not just a standard, it's the foundation of everything we do. Since its inception in 2003, every product we create reflects our unwavering commitment to excellence, ensuring that every vial, ampule, cartridge, and syringe meets the highest levels of safety, efficacy, and reliability. I would like to share some exciting news with you today. I'm Kairas Dadachanji, the founder of Sovereign Pharma, and I'm thrilled and incredibly proud to broadcast that we've achieved EU approval for our aseptic and terminally sterilized products, including vials, ampoules, syringes, and cartridges, both liquid and lyophilized. This comes alongside the approvals we received from ANVISA as well as MHRA, all within the span of 1 year. We've already built a strong presence in over 50 countries, and these new approvals open even more doors for us to expand our reach and serve global markets with products that meet the highest regulatory standards. It's a testament to the hard work and dedication of our team and demonstrates our relentless focus on quality and compliance.
In spite of this, we believe in staying in line with the global requirements, and for this we have invested an additional 30 million euros, which is 270 crores, in upgrading our existing facilities, all the way from having isolator filling lines with auto lyo loading and unloading, as well as completely automated packing lines. We have also set up our own dedicated building for pre-filled syringes and cartridges, which as well, keeping up with the global standards, is completely up to date and will be in line and ready for production by the end of the year.
What sets us apart is our quest for perfection, covering all areas of the organization. Whether it's ensuring sterility in injectables or implementing the latest technologies in production, we take pride in delivering the safest, most effective products possible. These certifications represent the trust our partners and customers place in us to deliver safe, effective, and reliable medication. We've built our reputation not only as a manufacturer, but as a reliable partner in global healthcare, and we take immense pride in that. Looking ahead, we are excited about the future and remain committed to advancing healthcare with a high-quality injectable solution. We look forward to welcoming you to Sovereign Pharma.